Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video. I'm sure there's already about 100,000 of these up on YouTube, but I did want to just go ahead and show you mine as well. I went ahead and picked up the Trendmood box, the most recent box. I have no idea what volume it is because they've been producing them like quick like a bunny. This is the box that features e.l.f. and so if that sounds like something you're interested in seeing, stick with me. We're going to get into it right now. Okay, so classic beautiful purple box, right? I'm going to see if I can open it here. Oh my goodness. And it does come with a little like scan me QR code in there, and I think there's some information like what they would put into like the booklet normally. And then of course you have the beautiful paper. Let's get past the paper. So this box is supposed to be focusing on hydrating skincare, which my skin is like normal to dry. So I was definitely really interested in this. Oh, and there is a coupon code on here. So 20% off of skincare orders $30 plus with e.l.f. skincare code. And it works until December 31st. So that's cool. And this is like a whole set of new products. Let's see here. So we have the Holy Hydration Face Cream, which looks like this. This retails for $12. And this is supposed to be used in the morning following with your favorite e.l.f. makeup, or can be used at night after cleansing. Then this one I'm really excited to try. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. So this is like one of those traditional like balm based cleansers. This one is $10. So this one I'm really excited about because I do really like the Vanilla & Co. Clean It Zero, the regular, and I think the Nourishing I've tried as well. I like their cleansing balm, but it's like $19–20 bucks. So if I can get away with one that's $10, I'd be down for that. We have the Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. So again, you know, nice and moisturizing. Obviously this is used at the end of the day. And the cleanser is $6. Then we have the Keep Your Balance Toner, which this is 5 fluid ounces, so this is a pretty big, pretty sizable size. This is a pretty big size. And this is $8. And then we have the Hydrating Booster Drops, which look like this. And this is $10. This can be used alone or added into any foundation, liquid, or cream to supercharge your routine. If used alone, massage onto clean, dry skin, blend evenly onto the face, neck, and chest. So all in all, let's see. So this is $46 worth of product, and you're getting it for $25 shipped. So I actually think that's a really good deal. I'm really excited to give these things a try, so I'm definitely going to be incorporating them into my routine going forward, and then I will try to make a video hopefully in about a month or so going over what I think of these products to let you know if they are worth buying. Alright, so leave me in a comment down below. Have you tried any of the Trendmood boxes before? Are you going to get the next one? Because I heard it's Nabla Cosmetics and they're like one of my faves. If you haven't tried any, is there one that piqued your interest and maybe got away? Because I know there's a high demand for these boxes and not always a great supply. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'm going to catch you in my next video. Bye!